Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming what you have: MIUI version, Android build, and the exact sign-in error message. Now enable Wi-Fi and charge above 50% so updates won't fail. Once done, disable VPN or proxies because Google blocks unusual network paths. Make sure Find My Device is off temporarily and have account email and last password ready. This prepares the phone and accounts so the next steps, clearing caches and reconfiguring account authentication, can proceed without interruptions. Next, clear the Google Apps cache and storage to remove corrupted tokens. Go to Settings, Apps, tap Google Play Services and Google Services Framework, then clear cache and storage. After that, remove the Google account from Accounts, reboot the phone to flush background services, and re-add the account from Settings right arrow Accounts. Make sure Google Play Services and System Web View are updated. If installation fails, download the matching APK and install. This fixes token mismatches that usually cause sign-in loops. Finally, verify account security. Update recovery email and enable two-step verification so Google trusts the device. If re-adding still fails, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Back up everything first, then use Settings right arrow About Phone right arrow Factory Reset. If problems persist, try a different network or use a PC to review device activity and remove old sessions, then re-sign in. One key troubleshooting tip: if Google flags suspicious activity, wait 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.